About Facebook ads. This is probably the thing that I get the most questions about, probably more than any other topic when it comes to small business marketing. So, Facebook ads don't have to be difficult. You can do this in a simple format. So, the first thing I want to talk to you about is the budget. So, when you are going to set up a Facebook ad, how much money are you going to spend? What are you going to want to do here? This is really going to depend on your marketing budget and how much money you have to start. You can run ads for as little as $1 a day. You're more effective if you can use a budget of $5 a day. But please remember that even starting small can be effective and can give you a great indication of what resonates with your ideal clients and customers. You can start to see what are they more likely to click on, and what are they more interested in by how they interact with your ad and how many people interact with your ad.